Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a photo collage wallpaper for Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to the canva.com. You just need to go to your browser and then you can search for the canva.com, and then you can go to the search menu and search for photo collage wallpaper for desktop. You just need to type in this keyword, and there will be a lot of templates you can use, and you just need to choose your favorite one. For example, I'm gonna go with wait guys, I'm still searching for it. I'm going to find the suitable template for my photos. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one, and we can click on customize this template. Okay, then we can replace the photo on this template with our own photos. You just need to go to the upload and upload your photos right here, but I'm just going to use the photo I have uploaded. Oops, you just need to drag your photo to the template, just like this, and this one. Okay, now it's done guys, and you can adjust the position like this if you want. You just need to tap and hold on the photo. Okay, now it's done, and if you want to save your photo, you can click on share, and then you can click on download, and the wallpaper will be downloaded, and you will be able to use it as your Windows wallpaper. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a photo collage wallpaper for Windows using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.